Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone, wherever you'll be watching me from. Thank you once again. If it is first time to come across my latest news TV, kindly subscribe to Audio Latest News TV once again. And what I call share give una for this my platform. And this hot Ogboge news, the word always they talk and say, because this is my platform now, hot Ogboge news, the word always they talk and before, because now Africa, European news, African news, and all what continent news, and always they bring come for this my platform. Now, what did they happen? Hot latest news when people know why here they always talk. Now me call share give una today this answer because what you want call talk na about no way this answer about no way for this COVID-19. You know, say many people that their law don't change. Many people whenever know where only they travel this answer and they all enter routes. That's say they know the informant or they know get more information fit. That means you come back share and give una my see talk about the news also. My say share give those my fans once they watch me and once they subscribe to my channel. Once again, this my platform, it will always help you guys if not always they follow me for this my YouTube channel, and if not always they watch me, and also more that they share it on our loved ones and to your family. Go see help. This is also one of two. We go see help now once again. Once again, I appreciate you guys. Before we go for the further month, before we go to the news. And I go stay blessed. May I quickly read this news. Give una the way they always hot. The chance, so you know, say no time to check time my people. First of all, when I all stay blessed, when I listen before for this one, so no video. How you quickly read and give una the way they hot, my beautiful people. It's in no way require negative PCR test result for citizens of high-risk country. It's a foreigner wishing to enter Norway from COVID-19 high-risk country can no longer do so if they do not present negative results of the coronavirus test upon their arrival, the country government has announced. According to the announcement, starting from today, November 8th, foreigners coming from country in the COVID-19 red list who do not present negative result of a PCR test could be banned from entering the country. It's a report. We are now in a situation that requires stronger measures. Europe in the red and development in Norway are not good. We see what imported infection make up a large part of the infection developing in Norway. Therefore, the Norwegian authority will now demand that foreigners who come to Norway can present a negative COVID-19 test. Minister of Justice and Emergency Management, Monique Mæland, pointed out in this regard. Norway government has clarified that the test should not be older than 72 hours than certificate is acceptable in November. Norway, Danish, Swedish, French or Germany. Different country also. It said earlier this month, Norway citizens were advised by Norwegian Ministry of Foreign Affairs not to travel to the region of Ostra, Savoca, Lampa, Lene, and Finland from November 7 after estimating that the number of COVID-19 infections in this district was increased. It said the decision was taken based on the Norwegian National Institute of Public Health report. Last month, Norway Minister of Justice and Public Security announced that it extend the EU-wide entry ban on third country citizens until June 1st, 2021. The ban was imposed in March, while it was decided to be prolonged for another period due to a surge in the number of coronavirus cases across Europe amid the second wave of the deadly virus. Last week, Norway Prime Minister Erna Solberg stressed that the country would tighten its restrictions to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Solberg advised its citizens to stay inside as much as possible, have as little social contact with others as possible, while revealing the new measure in Parliament. Solberg also urged Norwegians to avoid unnecessary travel within the country. Even though the country is tightening its COVID-19 preventing measure, the European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control (ECDC) estimates that only Norway, Finland, and some regions of Greece are safe places to travel to in the second week of this month. Norway has registered more than 24,400 COVID-19 cases of infection up to this point. From the virus, a total of 285 persons have died in Norway, and currently there are more than 12,200 active cases. Hello, my people. You see the way I read down give una, my people. This answer. Because you know, say for this rope now, for this COVID-19, what they happen. Now maybe see my quickly read. You know, say many people they say, no, this will not be real. They feel me so. They say this COVID-19 not be real because now their law now they got to say now every place must be banned. They say so even their citizen. They say so it must be banned to that extent. They can do tests. They get one test so basically they made the sense of where you fit they check as more than 72 hours and that test if they test you once you go all bring the results come out, don't need to take the wait say 1 week or 2 days or 3 days or 4 days the sense so or 5 days. No, and they cause use this opportunity to tell all people, all citizens, the sense so for Norway, and anybody when see they come for outside the sense so make the better stay there place, or if they not better stay, say they come back, or maybe they not here. If they come, you know what they say, they go I'm not this month you go keep them for one place. So basically they take quarantine them. They sound so when they quarantine them, they say the person get corona or not get corona, they know what to do beside those people. They sound so now that means okay, maybe you could share this news. Give una the way me they read down, so my share and give una cause many people never know the way this news they go. This sounds okay because the law was on the 7th to on the 8th. Now the start time. They sound so because this COVID-19 already spread for many places. It does spread because some people don't believe, some people still believe, but due to their law to save life and to save other people hate. They sound so I beg my people wanna stay safe because this thing could be true, you know, be true, but just to prevent yourself, they sound so away from those people when you get those sickness. I mean they always say talk calm. That means okay, I can say tell now for this my platform what they go on. They sound so this COVID-19 they rise more. They sound so even those no way will say till 2021 June 1st, they say so before free movement, everything go dey okay for them. They say so maybe now they say the same thing between other European countries go see happen. They say so, but by the grace of God, maybe before that 2021, for that June 1st, the COVID-19 go finish this pandemic. They say so it go finish because you know say many people when they see those on when they hear their mind, they are then a heartbreak because of this COVID-19, and they don't lose many of things, my people. That means my kokui share and give una. But my people, if una like this video and this my reading, kindly subscribe and like this my video, thumbs up, like my personal person. I know say my fans now, I know say now they do those ones always. They say so once again. I bet you drop a comment for the comment section box. Once again, we'll go to another news while we are here. Hello, my people. You know, say the news we want to share give now. So the hot Ogboge news, the way they hot. You understand? I mean, we could sit for a year because now the same news once to talk, once to read about no way now once to share give now about Greece. Because this is not Greece. You understand? They call it Greek. But now Greece, many people know for this answer about the pandemic, what did they happen? That's my causes you could share, give you now the way they ought. I bet my people, because this one not shown on the video, because now the way the government they analyze the issue for their law, let me walk see read and give you now. They say so. I beg anyone who they watch me, wanna listen carefully to the end of this my video, wanna know. This kind of video go see help now. You go see help and loved ones, and also the chance to help it. The way they hurt, may you read and give una while we are here. It said the Greek government has announced that all foreigners seeking to enter the country must first present negative result of a PCR test not older than 72 hours. And mind, the second wave of the coronavirus outbreak, the move follow the country nationwide lockdown imposed on November 7 by Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis, which is the second lockdown of Greece citizens since the start of the pandemic. This decision is set to last until November 30, at least Sejengvisafom.com reports. They say, so my people, as you know, we have made the decision from Saturday morning at 6 o'clock to re-enter a horizontal mode of suspension of activities for the whole country, which will last for 3 weeks until November 30. Something that will look like but will not be exactly the same what happened in March and April, Prime Minister Mitsotakis pointed out. The government urged its citizens to minimize travel outside their home and workplace. On Thursday, November 5, a total of 2,917 persons tested positive for the coronavirus in Greece and 29 persons died, making the highest single-day number on record in the Hellenic country. Over 56,600 persons have contracted the COVID-19 pandemic in Greece so far, while the country saw 784 deaths. However, the European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control (ECDC) considers some parts of Greece not so dangerous to travel to during this week. The most recent ECDC map indicated that only some regions in Greece, together with Norway and Finland, are considered safe in Europe to travel to compared to the rest of the continent in the second week of November. According to the local health authority, 4,300 COVID-19 cases were related to traveling abroad. Yesterday, November 8, Norway also imposed the requirement of a negative result of the PCR test upon the arrival to the country for those coming from COVID-19 high-risk country. In addition to Greece, amid the ongoing increase in the number of coronavirus infections, other European countries have started to impose lockdown too in a bid to control the situation and curb infection number. As yet, Austria introduced a curfew which will last until the end of this month. If the situation does not get better, France, Germany, and the United Kingdom have also imposed a lockdown in their country, while Portugal announced a partial lockdown in regions profoundly affected by the disease. In August, Greece announced that all persons arriving in Greece from Albania, Romania, UAE, Belgium, the Netherlands, Sweden, Spain, Malta, North Macedonia, and Bulgaria must present a negative result of the PCR test. My beautiful people, see, now there I read down reach the way it be. The film so like the way they talking before now, because this virus not too much. And even for Greece zone, they say any person when they come, you need to bring negative results. They say also say yes, they do this test of coronavirus or pandemic virus, but they don't get on. They need to show the evidence before they go accept them for the country, because for now, if they not bring it go be difficult. They not go accept them for the country. They say so now BT, because see this virus is that is difficult because they don't trust anybody again, because most of the country, the European country, most of them don't get high risk. When I don't say high risk, because they don't high. They say so their number not too raised and not too high. Some people don't they die. They say so because most of the European they don't say do lockdown. They say so now BT now and they say no more movement until 3 weeks or 4 weeks or 1 month before they go say look towards it, whether they go open their border or they not go open their border. Now they cause just quick inform this law to some of the European people. They say what did they go on for their country, and many people when they travel they go their country. I beg my people, if na get some kind of business one they do, or the business is important, make sure say una go do the test, say una not get coronavirus or una not get the pandemic. In case one that they arrive, una know say we control the day, una go show them the negative test, say yes una no get am, and they go accept am. Also una be careful for the country one they go. Sometimes they fit get am, sometimes they no fit get am. They say so na be the law when they cause put for then all everybody na this thing affect too. Understand? Any person when they travel come on for their country, when they go another country, now what they talk say you go present, now be that one my people. Now make me say okay, my quick share this news, this Ogbogen news, the way they hot. They sound so who never know, who they watch me go know. They sound so now be it my people. Once again, thank you very much. If you analyze my video, please guys drop your comment for the comment section box. Once again, we'll go to another news. Peace out. Hello guys, my beautiful people, because this news we want to share you now. The same news when they talk about they go about this pandemic. What did they happen for the world? When I know what did they happen for the world, what did they happen for the world for this European about this pandemic? I stand not only the European, the full continent. I stand what did they happen for this country? I stand for this continent, for this pandemic. Even Germany, because it talk you for the law where they see put the film. So let me say, we read and give now what did they go on the case now go see no now so understand what did they happen in case any person they travel from Italy to Germany who now know what to now go do. My beautiful people, let me see my quick share before I go show now my when I just stay blessed. My quick read and give now the way they hot, the way it's my Ogbogen news, they always they hot, the way they give now for back to back. They say so and be hitting once again. Now stay blessed and watch me up to the end. Once again, I love you guys. It's a Germany obligates everyone coming from Italy to self-isolate. Isolate. You see, all traveler to Germany who have been in Italy in the last 10 days before their trip will have to self-isolate upon arrival since Sunday, November 8th. The decision was announced last Friday upon the publication of the newly designated high-risk area by the Jamii Robert Koch Institute (RKI), which updates the same list weekly. Last week, the institute has listed all of Italy with the exception of the Calabria region as high risk due to the number of cases reached with the new update. The whole of Italy, as well as additional regions of EU member states, have been included in the list. Return travelers from abroad who have stayed in a risk area within the last 10 days before entering the country are obliged to put himself into a 10-day quarantine immediately after entering the country, the RKI explained, which is the German federal government agency and research institute responsible for disease control and prevention. The same also explained that starting from November 8, all travelers to Germany will need to register at the website here www.entrymed.d before arriving. German travelers who wish to short their quarantine period will need to take a COVID-19 test after 5 days in self-isolation. In addition to Italy, the following regions are now considered high risk. All of Denmark, with the exception of the Faroe Islands and Greenland. The Ida virus region in Estonia, the region of Attica, Central Macedonia, East Macedonia, and Thrace the Sicily in Greece. The Perugia region in Latvia, all of Lithuania, the exception of the Utendas district. The province of also in Norway, all of Portugal with the exception of the Ottomans, Azun, and Madeira. All of Sweden with the exception of the province of Västmanland. From a high-risk area of after having visited a high-risk area in the past 14 days could be tested for free upon arrival. Those that still needed to quarantine until the results come out, which is usually a few hours. Since Sunday, with the new quarantine rule, according to the new modern regulation, the period of self-isolation for travelers from high-risk area is reduced to 10 days. All travelers who have been in a high-risk area in the last 10 days before their arrival will be required to get quarantine if they do not test. He said those who want to get tested and who result negative will still have to self-isolate for 5 days at least after researching Germany. The new modern regulation will be implemented by the German federal state. Travelers must consult the rule of each federal state before traveling there. My people, when I see the way I read that, maybe we have for slow, I be gonna forgive me, but and me want to explain, give una this answer. Because now Germany, the same thing when me say it all they come any person who went Italy before or went to travel go Italy before the coronavirus or before the pandemic come out again, the sense before it rise. The moment they arrive to Germany, then when I know say they don't put a person when go they control the sense of those control go they control people because of this pandemic. Then they will carry una, they will test una. Understand? They are on another 5 days, then they will be or 4 days. They will test una whether una get the pandemic. The sense of course many other European countries. Then when they high risk, the sense so anyone when they come Germany, they need to test them. And also you need to present your negative test results. Also say get time those things. Germany called talk about because say many country they save their country. This so many countries they save their country, they save their citizens, not only their country, they save the cities and the people. Once they stay there also. This so because this pandemic, what one person they already bring that thing come. It will already spread, give everybody. Now you'll be the thing. That made me say, because share this message, give una for the law when they happen because of this pandemic and also many lockdown day for every year. That's why your share give una guys. I beg una when they travel, they go Italy or when for Italy they come. And some the message we could give una because any person they come, they need to do tests, those negative tests. They say also say yes, una not get and all those things. If me so and also they go give I know they talk now they'll give una quarantine. When I say quarantine, they go quarantine una because so not in 4 days or 3 days. Maybe you go feel pass that day. They say so I will be eating, but with the pre-medis coronavirus finish because it does to delay many things and many process also my people. And be the message and the law when each European don't get and be this one they don't put just because of this pandemic to save life and to save other countries. And also when they work out, wanna be careful for the kind of country wanna they go or the kind of people wanna they may go with also the chance in case more as save now life to save other people when see this process of this pandemic. Once again, if you like this my video, please guys just drop your comment for the comment section box and also like this video, share this video to your loved ones, to your friends. Also we'll go to another news. So we are here. Hello my people, my beautiful people. This news we want to give you a very strong Ogboge news because so this one I want to talk about so now for Nigeria and this one for the happen. He get one statement when Buhari talk that I say Nigeria youth they not defeat the work. Now on another statement say Nigeria youth they are lazy, those things. I want to address this issue that Nigeria youth not they lazy, they strong to work, but some of them will not all. But when I say some of them, some of them they see the opportunity, the office use them, city work everything. They say so because here this small boy, 13 years old boy, if not be condition, this boy no suppose say he want the work or those things. They say so on a no condition of Nigeria. They say so picking one does have they grow for 13 years, 14 years, they don't they struggle on their own to make food or to earn money on their own or to feed the family. They say so now be team because this boy na very sad news when we could give una. This boy start they follow a master and all those master now what they do. Engineering, those contractor engineering people when they build house, those contractor engineering. This small boy, 13 years old boy, start they follow the master, they go work. They sound so you think maybe the work when they go that day go see better for them. But you know say na rituals they want go use that to the master want go kill them for rituals. Very sad news. They sound so that made me say my quick give for now because this one are hot Ogboge news. Now this news you'll be what yours happen, but I will quick read the news give una wanna see what happen, guys. And also if you like this video when they talk about or when they read about, wanna drop on a comment and share this my video to your loved ones. Share it for all your platform. You go see help. Also, in case many people go see this is my platform, so they get more sense and what they happen for the continent. The sense and this my Ogboge news wanted they give una back to back. Una go see the endurance as entertainment also. Once again, my quick read and give una wetin happen to the small boy, the 13 years old boy for Nigeria. Now I wan read the way master take kill am, my people. He say, be careful of job you take in this period. A 13 years old boy was used for ritual in his master by his master. It's most important to put something on the table at night during this hard time. While this is ongoing, it is expedient to be careful of the job you take during this hard season. Recently, according to Neraland and multiple reports, a 13 years old apprentice was killed by his master Biodun Owolabi and caught in crime. A 20-year-old Alpha Festus Simon, the bricklayer, and his cohort were arrested by the police after he killed his apprentice for rituals purposes in Ibadan, Oyo State. According to reports gathered, the young apprentice was killed a day to his 14th birthday celebration in Ibadan. The 13-year-old Quadri Olalekan was reported to have been used by his master Biodun Owolabi. Report gathered showed that the disease was tricked into believing that a bricklayer job is waiting for him at Iyana Iwo Road before he met his death. The young boy was abused and killed by his master Biodun Owolabi and cohort Alpha Festus Simon. His master disclosed where the deceased corpse was buried after he was arrested by officers of the Nigeria police. According to reports, the deceased's vital organs like private parts, eyes, and hands had been removed when the deceased corpse was exhumed from the gravities he was buried. My people, you see, this, this time, this pandemic for Nigeria, understand? Because when the government could say Nigeria youth, they don't get power to work, they are lazy, not all. This also because now the situation of Nigeria, if Nigeria are good, government give them work and the citizens they endure. Those killing not for the occur. Those killing, those kidnapping, those sleeping with other girls, it's also raping, and those raping not for the occur for Nigeria because the situation of Nigeria is too big. And to that extent, this pandemic, they will say lockdown. You know what to be lockdown now. Who not get work or who not feed themselves or person who fit come and say, okay, maybe they call it do daily job and they say lockdown. I don't want to feed. I family want to feed. Some of them don't mind. They call the rob their neighbor. Some of them don't mind. They call they do other thing. This is also naivety. And this small boy was 13 years old boy. Very painful and sad death. This is also to that extent. Most say next month or next 2 months, now want complete 2 years. When your master take call and say me come for work. You know say your master don't analyze people. Don't bring people. When they want to get that say kid the small boy take do money for ritual. This is also good. Sometimes I they look those people when they kill those innocent person. It's not good. This need to stop. You need to stop. All little boy, small boy, when don't know anything. When see they struggling, as in struggle to earn money for a daily food or to see put food for the family. You know at the end, this man just go a master when you see a big clear master go kill her. A very painful, sad news. Very painful. Very painful for this situation of pandemic. When they say pandemic, this and so I don't know why some people they go say they want to do rituals or they want to do this thing. Them not go use their self, they not go use their private part or their body. This and so take one or maybe they take the native doctor when they tell them maybe they go carry person come. This man not go fit go carry your sister or your pikin or your family and say you go kill another family. You use your own brothers or your own pikin better pass another man. May you see the pain when go be for your heart. This thing need to stop for Nigeria. I don't know why this thing it happen for Oyo State, Ibadan. You know, say Ibadan most. I don't know whether they all made that place Ibadan, Lagos. They all made those places for ritualist killing of death. You also say they do money. And those places will be their depot. And no depot now for ritualists. And those Lagos, Ibadan State, those places. And Bayelsa, and those places they all like to do ritualists for money. This need to stop. Because this small boy, I know you also know, this little boy, as in how that boy go feel. Very painful death. Small pikin, 13 years old boy, yours they follow him outside. I don't know say that day na he death, na yours come. Last time, boy, I say thank God for those Nigeria police. When you see the work, when they see they arrest this man, now, where the money one can go? Nothing. No money. Because then don't catch and he not quickly do what he want to do. And first of all, he cut the boy and ear and the part of the boy body when one go use to do the ritualist. You see many people now. You see many people that they drive car, do this and this, and you say, yes, they all could make money. You know, say some kind of people don't put their hand for bad thing, and this bad thing need to stop. And that made me say, we need to address this bad thing for this my platform. Not only the address those bad things for Nigeria need to stop. Those killing of innocent or rapists need to stop for this for Nigeria. This is not only Nigeria, for the world, as for this continent. That will be to make government work towards this thing, whether not to bring job to the youth or to those people who not get job when they are stranded, and those homeless people or people who not feed their family. You understand? Maybe if you come and see bring job to those people or say applaud them for job, those things go still need to reduce. Because Nigeria now the way Nigeria take they don't too difficult. You understand? Everything people they cry for hunger. People they cry for this one, people they cry for this one, people they cry for this one. You understand? The government sit down for office, now just their own, they just sabi now their own they collect and they do too. And the citizens of Nigeria, they know the mind, they know the care. And this is not really good. Government need to work towards this hand. They sound so okay, this killing need to stop. And also that man, when you kill that innocent boy, they need to kill him. Need to go to jail and they need to kill him. Instant death may not be painful when it be. Understand, guys? That be the story we want to share give una also the same. So if una like this my news one, they always talk once again, they always talk and drop your comment for the comment section board and share this video to your loved ones, to your parents. You go see help you guys also, you go see help them also. Once again, subscribe to Audio Latest News TV. We'll go to another news. Hello my people, news we want to share give you now. This news are sad news, I want to say the sad news. Because every year for Nigeria corruption, government go do their own. This one go do their own. This one go do their own. This one so. And this thing someone want to talk about, and those some of the men very disgraced to humanity. One say very disgraced that if una body do heret, why una not go patient or more mute na wife or more put on a trust and more go those places want to let the talk na you know what I talk so now. You understand? They see 300 naira, they see 500 naira, they see 1,000 naira. They say so now better go those places than say small little pikin 5 years. When I say 5 years, small baby, 5 years baby. 5 years don't even know what they happen. 5 years, you know, if they attractive to you. I don't know why some men they bring disgrace. So other people when they watch this news, how they go free, they will say everything for Nigeria they corrupt. But we not say this never fair occur for Nigeria now. All the whole world this always happen before. They say so. But Nigeria although they become worse when they already see bad thing for Nigeria. That means okay, my couple share on this news. What did they go about what did they happen when one man the finger one another type of finger 5 years old girl to that extent the girl could the bleed. Understand? Now the police, when police come towards this thing, for now see the way police they brutalize this man to that extent. My read and give about and not show on the video because YouTube not go fit accept those kind of things. They say so because of the YouTube privacy. When I know what I talk, I know but I go read and I go see explain. Also, it happened for Nigeria. It's so when just stay, when listen, when watch to the end, what did they happen for this my platform? This my Ogboge news, not only the talk, not only the show, also my people. My read and give you now once again. You see what police did to a man who assaulted a 5-year-old girl. No one seems to know what the world he is turning into. If you do, please tell me. There have been many expected incidents going viral. How can it with a grown man finger a 5-year-old child? Still, she started bleeding. It is quite saddening seeing a report shared by a Twitter handle that revealed how a grown man was arrested for fingering a 5-year-old girl till she started bleeding. The news was shared by a man who lived in Festa town of Lagos State. He revealed that no one is aware of where the mother of the girl was, but as soon as she is back, she rushed the girl to the hospital. At the moment she was rushed to the hospital, the girl was still bleeding and they have already contacted the police on the matter at the police station close to the house. The woman was told to bring money to file a complaint, in which she was unable to afford it. Prior to that, she and her husband intended to settle the case amicably with the man who defied their daughter. At this moment, that was when the man that shared the story via his Twitter handle got there and had to give some policemen tips so as to help with the case. Mother her advised to always keep a watch on their children, especially the female ones, because the evil ones are still put there. My people, see, I don't know, some police, Nigeria police, they know they feel they do anything. When I say they know they feel some of them will, because sometimes you get news and they always talk about, we know say yes, before police will follow you now money. But when they see this kind of case, woman call you or people call rush, tell una go follow that person. I don't know whether that matter don't they hot or those things. Una go follow that person. Don't be without extent. Una go say when they bring money come before they go follow now, or maybe before me that woman call settle the matter. Not be so. Police need to protect the citizen. Need to guide the citizen of Nigeria, not to the they collect for their hand. Not that they collect for their hand, or maybe if they don't follow them, they don't arrest before they go say, madam, bring so money, will call pay for those things. It go good. Person will call rush, call tell una see what they happen, and they say may go or maybe money. If not money, una need to understand. It's not good. Now even the newsman when he go, now go carry the woman follow body, go pay police before police go follow them, go arrest the man. Now some of the men they stupid. No, I want to say some of the men they stupid. Waiting that small girl that 5 years they attractive to you. 5 years, man, when you don't reach to born that pikin ×2 or ×3. As in, you know your make sense. This one I advise to mothers, mona they put eye down for our children. Man, they put eye for our children. Even say una they go work. The best 5 years keep your children, or 5 years keep one for your sisters. Because some Mother day, they go work or they go market, they all keep children for her, send me the children by self. Understand? Any man will come that house or by the play or the whole buy biscuits for them. No say, because this is the always they happen for Nigeria. Most it always they happen. And in Nigeria, this is for they happen. It's not good. You see, so now me Coco share this video. Understand? Coco share this news, give you now see what they happen. This is so it's not good. Make you stop those things. It was it's not be first time. I'm not just saying that first time this if they happen with this girl. Not be first time that man they do one. This also this not be first time because I know say this thing they happen before. This not be first time because if to say that first time it get the way it be, it get the way it sound. This not be first time. This also now your be because you know if you go meet person that first time you call and you start to do stupidity for that girl not good to that extent don't injure her. Also because if they finger the girl, what you want they attractive to you. Old grown man. Advanced man for that matter, you know, good. Police need to fight this case. Let me kind of there are some kind of law they need to put. People when they do such things, they need to your killer instant death. No pity, no sorry, no jail. Because Nigeria matter, if they don't can go sell the boy family or the man family if you bring money, they settle the issue. Yes, that's what the matter could die. No. It's not good. This thing then people need to fight into this issue for Nigeria. Those who call they rape, those little ones, those underage, those things not good. I beg. They say so people when they want those things, I don't if not the man children or their daughter or his daughter or his sister or his sibling, as she go free, how the man go free. They go feel bad. They say so and you can put pain to that small girl and to that family. Not good. They say so, but thank God say police catch the man, somebody man they say, because this one go court. It's not a court matter. They say so, but I see praying people see help those who may make the fight me justice reviewed. You understand? And then be the thing. And also that advice to all men, some of the men when they do those, some of the men and some of the youth. Please, we need to stop those things because we know say it's not good also. They say so no gain for those things. If such things are good like that, mona you na trouser or mona control na babe, mona you na trouser, mona go where they say 500 or 1,000 or understand. Anyone you like depends on your pocket. They say so then say you go bring sin to yourself or to that extent you call me debt to yourself. No, it's not good. We need to talk about this case. I make for this my platform. I always they bring what they happen for Nigeria. Understand? If the truth come, I will see told and see settle. If the bad and see come, I see bring and come out for this my platform. This and so we not they hide anything. Yes, and because say this one and Nigeria or this one and this one, this one and this one. No, we need to say the truth for this my platform. You know, say when you say the truth, you go see help other ones. This and so now I'll be my people. I beg, wanna follow me for my Instagram for my Facebook also with this name Audio Latest News TV. This and so guys once again and this one be the video when we want to share give when I hustle and be the video one share give when I guys. I appreciate everyone when they watch me and when they follow me and when they subscribe for my channel. Once again I say I appreciate you now. Even I watch this my video, drop your comment for the comment section box. Once again I stand and this one be the news until you come my way. Bye. I love you all.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.